Baked Matcha Tiramisu, Japanese style. Makes 4 servings. Preparation 1 hour, baking 30 minutes, then chilling for 2 hours. Let us make a viral twist on a classic. 4 large egg yolks and 1 whole egg. These form the base of the baked custard. 100 grams of granulated sugar. We will use part for the egg mixture and part for whipping cream. 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. This makes the creamy layer rich and smooth. 200 milliliters of heavy cream. We will whip this to soft peaks. 2 tablespoons of matcha powder plus extra for dusting. This gives the tiramisu its Japanese flavor and color. 120 milliliters of hot water. We will dissolve matcha to make the soaking liquid. 20 ladyfinger biscuits. They will soak with matcha before layering. 1 tablespoon of mirin and a pinch of fine salt. The mirin adds subtle umami and balance. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius and place a rack in the middle. Whisk 4 large egg yolks and 1 whole egg with 100 grams of sugar in a heatproof bowl over simmering water until the mixture reaches about 65 degrees Celsius and becomes thick and pale, about 5 minutes. Remove the bowl from heat and whisk the mixture until it cools slightly. Fold in 250 grams of mascarpone and 1 tablespoon of mirin until smooth. In a separate chilled bowl, whip 200 milliliters of heavy cream with the remaining 30 grams of sugar until soft peaks form. Gently fold the whipped cream into the mascarpone mixture in 3 additions until completely combined and smooth. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of matcha powder in 120 milliliters of hot water to make a smooth matcha soaking liquid. Stir in a pinch of fine salt. Quickly dip each ladyfinger into the matcha liquid for 1 second per side so they absorb color but do not become soggy. Arrange a single layer of the matcha-soaked ladyfingers in the bottom of a shallow rectangular oven-proof dish so the base is covered. Spread half of the mascarpone custard evenly over the ladyfingers using a spatula. Add a second layer of matcha-soaked ladyfingers and spread the remaining mascarpone custard on top, smoothing carefully. Cover the dish with foil and bake in the preheated oven for 30 minutes until the custard is set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Remove the dish from the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes. Then refrigerate uncovered for at least 2 hours to fully set. Before serving, dust the top evenly with a little matcha powder using a fine sieve. Slice into 4 portions and serve chilled. Now we've finished. Enjoy your baked matcha tiramisu. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Here is the finished baked matcha tiramisu. 4 servings, prepared in 1 hour plus baking and chilling. If you loved it, please like, subscribe, and press the bell to get more recipes.